Good morning everyone, happy Saturday. Just just made myself a coffee and I'm gonna go in to the sitting room, enjoy it, try and light the fire for the 15th time. Something I'm clearly doing wrong, I don't know what's going on. And edit today's vlog, which I have half the footage imported and then the other half I have to put in, or edit rather. No, sorry. The half the footage that I've imported, I've edited, and the other half I have to do right now. Mum and Dad were over last night. I stayed till about 10:30, maybe 11. And then John and I just kind of went straight to bed. I've been very tired this week, like really tired. Normally I go to bed kind of late and John likes going to bed early so he can get up early, but I'm usually like go to bed around, I don't know, midnight and then get up around 9, whereas he prefers to obviously go to bed around 10 or 11 and then get up at like 7 or 8 at the latest. Half 6, 7, like he loves to get up that early. So we definitely have clashing cycles and sleep cycles. We've had loads of visitors, which has been so nice, like Mum and Dad and Ollie, and like John's dad was up and his mum was over, and we've had loads of people in, which is great. And tonight we're going for dinner with one of his close friends, Colin, and his girlfriend Sharon, so I'm really excited for that. They're coming over here first because they have to change our kitchen units. Like right now the kitchen unit is sitting over where the kettle is in the corner, and it's just not feasible for me to get into that inside press. So John and Colin are going to move it, like when you walk in the kitchen it'll be facing you. So I don't know what that's going to look like, but I trust the lads. They're very, oh, the fire's going, brilliant. It's been like smouldering there for the last 5 minutes. I was like, what the hell is going on with it? But it's finally taken off. So anyway, Colin and John are going to do that, and then I'm obviously going to be getting ready with Sharon. Well, I'd say Sharon will probably be ready by the time she comes over here, but I'm just going to get myself organized. I don't know what to wear out for dinner tonight because it's kind of really sunny today, but I doubt that it's warm out, so I'm thinking like jeans and heels and a nice top. That's what I'm thinking. But then the other side of me is like, oh, really nice like wintry, like sweater dress type thing would be nice as well, with a big belt and like ankle boots or something. I don't know. The thoughts going through my head in regards to clothes is not very important, but you know, first world problems. I also have to bring a load of washing to get washed. Our washing machine's still not hooked up, so we have to go to either a laundrette or one of those big washing machine things. Mum also said that she'll do the washing, so yeah, that's the plan today, doing the washing. John was like to me, my good jeans are in the wash. I was like, just buy a second pair. Who has one pair of good jeans? Like, I don't know, maybe I'm just being silly, you know, as a girl, but I have definitely got about 4 pairs of good jeans, like that fit me really well, that look really well. They're not like too tight or, you know, too loose in certain areas or too long in the leg or whatever. I have at least 4 or 5 pairs of those jeans. John has one good pair of jeans that he loves. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy my coffee, sit by the fire, start editing, and I'll chat to you later, guys. Love yous. Mwah. Hi guys, so I'm in the car and I'm going to do the laundry. I have like a massive bag of laundry with me and fabric softener and stuff. I'm gonna do the laundry, get it all cleaned up, and then I finished editing a video and I want to upload it later on, so I will have 2 vlogs up today. The reason why I'm doing like 2 a day for the last little while is because, well, obviously when I was moving in I was still vlogging, but I wasn't, like, I didn't have the time to edit, so I kind of fell behind with my uploads. And it also seems more logical to me to film and then stick up the vlog, you know, the next day. So, you know, sticking up vlogs 4 days after an event has happened, it's kind of like lost all its interest in my eyes. But you guys haven't seen it yet, so that is why there's 2 vlogs going up for the next, well, 3 days in a row. Like, this will be the 3rd day in a row. And I don't think Thursday, did I film on Thursday? I don't think I did. I filmed on Friday, which was yesterday, so at least I can put that vlog up tomorrow, which will be Sunday. And then we'll be kind of evened out, and then I'll have Saturday's vlog going up on Monday, and just allows me, if I need to miss a day of filming, that you guys aren't missing out on video. So it just makes me much happier. Wow, the leaves have really changed and they're all starting to like fall off. Oh my god, I love autumn so much. These next 3 months are like my favorite 3 months of the year. October, November and December, I bloody love them. And then I can't stand January. I'm probably not alone in that. I just don't like January because it's like Christmas is over and I feel really sad because I'm like, oh no, Christmas is done and dusted and over, and it's January and everyone's talking about like losing weight and saving money and exercise, and like although that's all great things, I'm like, oh whatever. But yeah, I just don't like January. And I'm hoping that we're still gonna get to go away at some stage next year. Because we're in the apartment now, I'm just kind of like, oh, I just want to stay in it, and I just want to be like, I don't want to go anywhere because we spent so much time working on it and refurbishing it and putting our carpets in and stuff, and I just kind of want to stay there for the next little while. So I think like our traveling plans for next year are going to be put on hold just for a little bit, even like 6 months or something. We put them on hold for, because I just want to enjoy the apartment and living with John, and you know, we're having so much fun together. It's just great. I just love it. I'm gonna go do the laundry and I'll catch up with you guys when it's all done and dry and ironed and So laundry is on. I just put my jacket on because I'm actually frozen to death. My battery on my phone ran out as well, so I have to plug that in. This phone has become like a landline because it constantly needs to be plugged in. It's a nightmare. Go and get myself some lunch because it is that time of the day, and I think I'm just going to be really basic and just get like a toasted ham and cheese sandwich. I think that's how basic I'm feeling today. And I need to go and buy more cheese and more ham in Lidl. I want some pistachios and some crisps, not crisps, Dorito nacho things. Oh, I'm so bold indeed. What else do I want to get? I don't know, I just feel like something really basic. I'm just like, let's not get like a really healthy lunch, let's just get something really basic like a toasty. It's gone cold, like it's just 11 degrees today, well 11 and a half, which is kind of a little bit colder than we have experienced in the last few weeks, and considering it was like 17, 18 degrees, and now it's just getting that little bit chillier, which I'm all about. But I need to wrap up really warm. I have my big teddy jacket on today from Pretty Little Thing. I love this jacket. It's so oversized. It's so cozy and so warm. And if you haven't gotten yourself a teddy jacket, I mean, who are you? Everybody has a teddy jacket at this stage. I went into Penny's and they had like brown, black and pink teddy jackets. So I'm in Lidl now. Wow, why did you come here on a Saturday, Aisling? Do you not realise it's like Piccadilly Circus? And guess what else I forgot, guys? My shopping bags. Well, hey, good work, Aisling. You forgot your shopping bags. Who are you? Who are you? Hey guys, so I'm just getting ready for dinner. I'm watching The Simpsons and trying to figure out what the hell I'm gonna do with this hair of mine. It just will not cooperate this evening. So it's probably gonna have to stay in a messy bun, I'm thinking. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with my makeup. I often feel really weird when you just have foundation on and nothing else. It looks really, really weird. So I'm gonna do my eyeshadow now, lips and stuff like that. I think Colin and Sharon are coming over around 7, I think, something like that. And we have dinner booked in a steak place for 8. So we're gonna have a glass of Prosecco each here. Well, I will anyway. I don't know if anyone else wants one. And then we're gonna head out for a steak dinner. I'm so excited. I am done and dusted for the evening. This is what my makeup looks like. I'm not really overly happy with the eyes. I'm loving this foundation lately. I'm using the EX1 foundation and then the Marc Jacobs Remarkable over it, and I just really like the combo on my skin. I think it looks lovely. And yeah, so I'm basically ready for dinner. I'm gonna turn on some light and then I'm gonna pour myself a nice glass of Prosecco and relax for the evening at dinner. I'm so hungry as well. I actually can't wait. I'm so excited for steak. I'm so excited for it. Today's vlog's probably going to be a little bit boring. It's not too exciting, to be honest. Yeah, well, I'll chat to you guys in a bit.